Tired of spending more time cooking than enjoying your meals? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to simplify every step, from prep to cleanup, without the stress. They help you save time, reduce mess, and make cooking feel surprisingly easy. All the links to these must-have finds are waiting in the description below. Say goodbye to uneven slices and sore fingers. This upgraded safety mandolin lets you chop, slice, and dice vegetables in seconds without touching a blade. You just drop the food in, press down, and watch perfect cuts appear every time. Adjustable thickness lets you go from thin chips to chunky fries with one simple switch. It folds down for easy storage and rinses clean in seconds, making meal prep feel effortless. Homemade dumplings just got ridiculously easy. This electric dumpling maker seals, shapes, and presses for you with the push of a button. You place the wrapper and filling, and it pops out 2 perfectly sealed dumplings in seconds. 2 size modes let you switch between regular bites and bigger, stuffed favorites. It's rechargeable, easy to rinse clean, and turns dumpling night into pure fun instead of hard work. Plain veggies are boring. Let's fix that. This simple spiral knife turns cucumbers, carrots, and potatoes into fun, curly shapes in seconds. You just twist it in, and out comes a perfect veggie spiral ready for salads or snacks. No power, no setup, just easy hands-on control. It's compact, easy to rinse clean, and makes everyday meals look way more exciting. Stop digging around the fridge for loose eggs. This smart egg holder uses gravity to roll each egg forward as you take one. 4 stacked tiers save space while holding up to a full tray's worth at once. The side rails keep everything steady so eggs don't wobble or crack. It keeps your fridge neat, organized, and stress-free every time you cook. Peeling tiny fruits doesn't have to test your patience. This electric peeler handles grapes, garlic, and other small foods with one simple button press. Drop them in, hold the button, and they come out cleanly peeled in seconds. The blades stay hidden inside, so you stay safe the whole time. It's rechargeable, easy to rinse clean, and saves you from all that messy handwork. Ever wish paper towels worked hands-free? This touchless countertop dispenser lets you grab a sheet with just a wave of your hand. The smart sensor pulls out the towel and retracts extra paper, so nothing goes to waste. You choose half or full sheets once, and it remembers for every pull. It sits neatly on your counter and keeps towels clean, dry, and ready when your hands are busy. Fresh citrus juice has never been this easy. This electric juicer squeezes oranges, lemons, and limes hands-free with just one button. Place the fruit, press, and watch it extract every drop quietly and efficiently. Its compact stainless steel design fits neatly on any counter and cleans up in seconds. Safe, sturdy, and powerful, it turns morning juice into a simple, mess-free treat. Say goodbye to constant stirring and burnt sauces. This automatic pot stirrer handles soups, stews, risottos, and more, keeping everything moving smoothly without your hands. It adjusts to fit pots of all sizes and sweeps the bottom to prevent sticking. The variable speed motor runs quietly for hours and recharges in just an hour. Just set it, walk away, and enjoy perfectly stirred meals every time. Cracking eggs has never been this tidy. This eggshell opener lets you press, crack, and separate yolk from white in one simple motion. Just place the egg, squeeze the clamp, and invert. The egg white slides out cleanly. Made from durable stainless steel, it's compact, easy to use, and perfect for any kitchen. Say goodbye to messy shells and uneven separation every time you cook. Upgrade your veggie game with fun, wavy cuts. This Crinkle Cutter turns potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and even apples into perfect ridged slices. The sharp stainless steel blade makes chopping quick and uniform every time. Its comfortable handle gives you a secure grip, and cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're making fries, salads, or garnishes, it adds style and ease to your kitchen prep. Flipping eggs has never been this easy. This clever 2-in-1 silicone spatula tongs grips and flips your food with perfect precision. From pancakes to fish, eggs, or even steak, you can turn, lift, and serve without a fuss. Heat-resistant silicone handles high temperatures without melting, and the comfy grip keeps your hands strain-free. Dishwasher safe and simple to clean, it makes cooking and cleanup effortless. Fruit prep just got a whole lot easier. This multifunctional bowl washes, drains, and stores your fruit all in one. The built-in strainer lets water drain fast, keeping berries, grapes, and other fruits crisp and fresh. A hidden handle makes lifting and draining effortless, and the lid keeps everything protected in the fridge or on the go. Lightweight, durable, and BPA-free, it's perfect for kitchen prep, picnics, or camping trips. Keep your breakfast fresh and mess-free. This bamboo top container stores cereal, granola, coffee beans, and more while preserving flavor and crunch. A simple twist releases just a quarter cup, helping you control portions easily. The removable crumb tray makes cleanup quick and hassle-free. Made from sustainable bamboo and food-safe plastic, it's both stylish and practical for any kitchen. Banana prep just got a whole lot faster. This handy slicer cuts an entire banana into even pieces with a single motion. Perfect for cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal, it makes breakfast fun and effortless. Made from durable, dishwasher-safe plastic, cleanup is a breeze. Safe for kids to use too, it turns snack time into a hands-on, healthy activity. Making ice has never been this simple. This tray lets you release cubes with just one hand, press, and they pop out effortlessly. Its slim vertical design saves fridge space while still making plenty of ice. Made from durable, food-safe plastic, it keeps your ice clean and reusable. Detachable and easy to clean, it's perfect for drinks, juice, or summer smoothies. Movie night just got a tasty upgrade. This microwave popcorn popper uses hot air to make fluffy popcorn without oil or butter. The 3-in-1 lid measures kernels and melts butter for a perfect gourmet snack every time. Made from durable, temperature-safe glass, you can watch your popcorn pop without worrying about chemicals or burns. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it's a fun, healthy way to enjoy your favorite treat. Serving drinks has never been this easy. This fridge dispenser keeps juices, lemonade, and cocktails cold and ready with a simple press of the faucet. The wide mouth makes adding fruit or cleaning a breeze, while the 360-degree rotation gives easy access from any angle. Made from durable, food-safe plastic, it's sturdy without the risk of breaking. Perfect for parties, family meals, or even gyms and cafes. It makes every sip simple and fun. Chopping veggies just got effortless. This 4-in-1 Pro Chopper dices, slices, and even spiralizes fruits and vegetables in seconds. Rust-resistant stainless steel blades handle everything from carrots to cucumbers, while the soft grip handle and non-slip base keep you in control. The built-in container catches every piece, keeping your counter clean. Dishwasher safe and easy to use, it turns meal prep into a fast, fun, and stress-free task. Measuring ingredients just got smarter. This digital spoon shows exact weights on a clear LCD, even in low light. It measures solids and liquids from 1 gram up to 800 grams, switching easily between grams, ounces, cups, and more. The detachable dishwasher-safe scoop makes cleanup simple, and the locking handle keeps it steady while you work. Perfect for cooking, baking, or even portioning pet food. It's a tiny gadget with big precision. Turn your sink into an organized workspace. This telescopic oversint caddy expands to fit different sink sizes and keeps sponges, brushes, and towels neatly stored. The detachable towel bar keeps cloths dry and hygienic, while drainage holes prevent water buildup. You can even use it as a mini colander for washing fruits or vegetables. Made from durable, waterproof plastic, it's sturdy, versatile, and perfect for keeping counters clutter-free. Opening jars just got effortless. This electric opener handles lids from small to large with a simple press of a button. The soft silicone edges protect your hands, while stainless steel components ensure durability. No more struggling or twisting. Just press and watch it work automatically. Perfect for anyone with limited hand strength, it makes kitchen prep easy and stress-free. Making meatballs just got simple and fun. This handheld shaker forms perfectly round meatballs or rice balls in seconds. Made from safe, durable materials, it's easy to use and clean. Just fill, shake, and your food takes shape without any mess. Ideal for home cooking, parties, or dinner prep, it makes mealtime quicker and more enjoyable. Cool treats are just a press away. This silicone popsicle mold makes 8 ice pops at once, letting you mix flavors like juice or milk for the whole family. The soft, non-stick design makes removing popsicles easy. Just push from the bottom. Made from durable, BPA-free silicone, it's dishwasher safe and built to last. Fun, simple, and perfect for kids and adults alike, it turns any day into a mini summer party. Straining just got smarter. This clip-on silicone strainer attaches easily to pots, pans, or bowls for quick, mess-free draining. Use it for pasta, vegetables, fruits, or even washing salad ingredients. Made from heat-resistant, food-safe silicone, it's safe and dishwasher-friendly. Slim, compact, and versatile, it's the perfect tool to save space and speed up your kitchen tasks. Cleaning tiny crevices just got easier. This 3-in-1 brush set tackles cup lids, bottles, and hard-to-reach gaps with U-shaped, stranded, and corner brushes. The silicone heads scrub gently but thoroughly, keeping every drink fresh and spotless. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home, travel, or outdoor use. Made from durable, non-toxic materials, it makes hygiene simple and stress-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.